Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with pretty links for branded affiliate URLs, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up pretty links for branded affiliate URLs, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type Pretty Links. Locate the Pretty Links plugin and click the Install Now button. After installation, click Activate. Once activated, find Pretty Links in the left-hand menu. Click on Pretty Links to access the dashboard. To create a new link, click on Add New Link. In the Target URL field, enter your affiliate link. In the Pretty Link field, enter your custom branded URL slug. Choose the link type. For most, a 301 redirect is recommended. Scroll down to the Link Options section. Here, you can customize the title for easy reference. Consider adding nofollow tags if required for your affiliate links. Once done, click the Create button to generate your branded URL. You will see your new link displayed in the Pretty Links dashboard. You can now copy this link and use it in your content. To track clicks, return to the Pretty Links dashboard. Here, you'll find analytics for your links, showing the number of clicks received. If you wish to edit your link later, simply click on the link title. Make any necessary changes and update the link. Repeat these steps for any additional branded affiliate URLs you wish to create. With this setup, managing your affiliate links becomes streamlined and professional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.